loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomiwa. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so gassed to have you, and if you're a recurring viewer, thank you so much for kicking it with me once again. As you know, WhatsUpTomiwa is your weekly plug. I mean, we try to be weekly for all things fashions and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button you see on your screen and turn on the notification bell so you get notified for my next couple of videos. Now, if you can tell by the rack at the back, this is a fashion video, right? And I'm so gassed to be sitting here because I haven't done this in a long time. Today we're doing a Zara haul. Whoop whoop. I haven't done a haul in a long time, and I have been buying stuff, but I have been buying, you know, very intentionally, and so I've been buying like piece by piece, and it's been a while since I bought like a couple of things at the same time, so I haven't done a haul for that reason. But this time I bought like a few things over like a 1 month period, so there might be some things that are not still on the Zara site, but I'm sure there are a couple of things amongst the things I have that are still on the Zara site, and I will link, you know, all the links in the description below here. So let's get right into it. Now these are the items I got. I got some of them on sale, and the others I got full price. Yeah. So I got this crop top, it was on sale. I got it in a small. I got this t-shirt full price. I got this in a medium because I wanted it to have a slightly, you know, loose fit. This shirt, I got it full price, and I think there are two different variations of this one, so I'll make sure I link it in the description box so you see which one it is that I got. I got this in a small as well. I got this shirt, guys. I love this shirt. Like, I was influenced by Odd by Money on Instagram. She wore the shirt and I thought it was absolutely fantastic. So I got it in a small. It has this really nice keyhole thing at the back. Can't wait to style it and see what that looks like. I got these pants on sale. They're wool. I mean, they're very relaxed fit. I can't wait to try it on as well. I got this in a small as well. Guys, I'm happy to announce that I'm no longer an extra small. I find that when I get extra small things, they're too small these days, you know. So now I always just get a small, right? And sometimes, depending on the fit, the small might be a little bit big, but I'd always rather like a little bit of an oversized fit over an overly tight fit. So again, I am not mad at all. I got these pants. These pants are the favorite thing that I got, right? Can you see that they have like the denim part at the top, and they have like black, you know, fabric at the bottom. Super fashion forward and chic. I got it in a small, and so we're just going to try these and see how it fits. Oh, before I forget, I got these shoes. I saw them on the model and I thought they were fantastic. They're so cute. You know, I love the gold detail. I love the kitten heels and the block heels, so they promise to be really, really comfortable. Can't wait to try them on. So I'm just going to, you know, try this outfit one or two different ways so you can see, you know, how to style it a couple of ways. And I mean, let's just do it, right? Now for this first look, I'm killing 3 birds with 1 stone, and I have paired the fitted poppling shirts from the haul, this would I call it two-tone pants, as well as the shoes. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll step back in a bit so you see the full look. But trust me when I say this look is everything. I love that, you know, the shoes are super comfortable. Oh my gosh, they're comfortable. I absolutely love the fit of the pants. They're so relaxed. I got them in a small. I bet if I got them in an extra small, they will be tighter on the waist, because what's happening now is that over here, you can see that it's a bit loose on the waist and it's not gripping my waist well, right? So I'm sure if I got an extra small, it would have gripped better. But, you know, I just prefer the relaxed fit. So I'm going to leave with the gape and, you know, find some other creative ways or creative hacks on how to deal with an oversized waist. I will be sharing these hacks with you when I try them on so you can see. But yeah, this is the look, guys. Next up, I'm trying the fitted poppling shirt with these tweed pants, and I really liked the relaxed vibe that I'm getting from the look. I didn't tuck in this time because I wanted to see you guys to see where the top stops. I absolutely love it. It's very flattering. I love that the top has a bit of a stretch in it, but it's still firm, and it's just very comfortable and very relaxed, right? It's very smart as well. So this look is giving very much smart casual. The whole look absolutely goes well with my shoes. Once again, love it. And I love how comfortable these slacks are. I mean, if I wanted, I could also tuck in the shirt, and let's see if what vibe we get. But I'm pretty sure that it'll look pretty neat as well. So if we tuck in the shirt, this is the vibe we get, and I mean, it works. Now I'm trying this oversized shirt, and I mean, from the front view, it just looks like a regular oversized shirt, right? Absolutely wrong, because when I turn back, we have this really nice action going on at the back, yeah? And the beautiful thing is, one, I can still wear my bra, because this covers the bra. And if I want, you know, to get more coverage at the back, all I need to do is pull this, and I automatically get more coverage at the back. I paired it with a pair of jeans. Odd by very influenced me, and she kind of styled it something like this. So she wore free jeans like this, and I can't remember the accessory she used with it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm retaining the shoes that I got because it goes with everything, right? So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay guys, so another way I rock this shirt is with black office pants. I'm currently wearing the two-tone pants from this haul underneath it, and I thought to, you know, add a pop of color on my fit with these orange shoes that are actually from Zara sometime last year, and I think I really like it. However, I noticed something, right, when I tried this. I noticed that the fit of the pants on heels changed a little bit, right? So now the fit of the pants, I don't know how to explain it, it's weird. But like, there's something going on there at that bottom when you wear heels that I didn't notice when I was wearing the kitten heels. But it just fits a little bit funny. I don't know if it's just me, but let me know if you can tell what I'm saying. Like, there's something about here that is just out, so it's like a bow, like I have bow legs somehow, you know. That's the vibe I get when I wear heels. Notwithstanding, the pants are still dope, and I'll definitely still rock them. So this is another look, very relaxed, not doing too much, but making a statement. Now another way I'll style this oversized shirt is, you know, with like shorts or a short skirt like this, and this just, you know, shows more legs, which sometimes is good. Still have the back action going on at the back. This is more like a nighttime hang out with friends type of vibe, and I mean, I think it works. Throw on the right accessory, throw on the right pair of earrings, carry the right purse, and you're good to go. So the funniest thing happened, guys. I was trying on the next top that I was going to wear to show you guys, and I still had on the denim skirt from before, and I passed by a mirror and I'm like, whoosh! It slapped, right? Basic black crop top, short denim skirts and heels. It slaps. I love it. It was not one of the looks I was planning to show you guys because this is a little bit risky for me. I have a rule: if you're showing legs, you have to be covered up top. If you're covered bottom, then you can show a little bit of skin, but that's just my personal rule, right? But if this is your thing, this look slaps. Now what I would rock very conveniently are these slacks with the crop top with a blazer. Absolutely love it. You know, less skin, very much more my comfort zone. Super chic. Again, this is kind of smart casual, you know. You have a splash of skin going on, have comfortable pants, throw on a blazer, and it just like dresses it up. If you don't want to have the dress up look, and if you want to have a bit more of a casual vibe, then by all means take off the blazer and fling it off and wear your crop top with you know, pants like these, any colored pants. So usually when I wear black at the top, I mean, I'd rather wear like colored pants at the bottom as opposed to black as well, because then there's a bit of more of an interesting look. Although that's not to say that black on black is not fire. Black on black is also pretty fire, depending on, you know, the vibe or the look that you're trying to get. Remember what I told you about trying on this black crop top with colored pants? Fantastic. Like, this is probably my favorite way amongst the ways that I have shown you to style this crop top. I'm wearing the crop top with these pants from my fashion label Ayaba. You can check us out on Instagram at Ayaba Woman. Shoot us a DM and we'll hook you up with the pants, right? The pants are absolutely amazing. They're tied at the leg, right? And it looks so good with this crop top because they are like proper high-waisted, right? So this is the vibe. Love it, love it, love it. Now this is yet another way that I would rock this crop top with a skirt like this. Absolutely love it. Incidentally, this is also a Zara bottom from like last year, so it's not on site anymore, but I'm sure they have like similar variations of this sort of wraparound skirts. I really love how smartly the top looks with the skirt. You can adjust how much skin you want to show by either raising your skirt up if you don't want to show any skin at all, or if you don't mind showing a little bit of skin like me. I mean, this sounds just okay. You can add a pop of color to the look by throwing like a bag or like colored footwear. And I mean, this is good to go. Last but not least, I got this t-shirt from the haul. It says Brooklyn 1980 New York. And I mean, I got it in a medium because I wanted it to have like sort of this roomy fit that it currently has. I absolutely love it. I've worn it with, it has green color on it, and I had the perfect green pants from Zara to try it on with. I have worn it with the pants, and I mean, who doesn't love a good matchy outfit, right? I really love this look. Very casual, not too much, very effortless, you know, very, you can wear it to work, you can use it to run errands, very daytime. Now another way I'll style this t-shirt is to wear with jeans. You can never go wrong wearing a t-shirt with jeans. I mean, it just depends on how you choose to style it. For me, I chose to wear trainers with this look because I feel like I'm not giving you a trainer's look, right? So I'm wearing these trainers, Nike Sakai's. Thankfully, mine are green and red, and that green just ties very nicely with the green on, you know, the top, right? And if I want to tie the whole thing together, I'll grab this red bag, and that just, you know, ties the look very nicely together without being too matchy. So for extra measure with this look, you can throw on a coat, a blazer, or a jacket over the look, and I mean, it just gives I don't know what to say that it gives, but it just gives everything. Done. That's all the goodies I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which of the items you're feeling. Let me know which of them you would rock. Let me know which of them you'd buy. And I mean, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should definitely be following me on Instagram, because Instagram sees it first. I'm sorry, loves, but they actually do. So if you want to see it first, make sure you follow me on Instagram on WhatsUpTomiwa. Till my very next video, au revoir.